Hi guys, I'm Mad Boy James, here with Devlog 1 for Reckoning. We have implemented an options menu, improved the main menu, improved player projectiles, and implemented the player respawn loop. So, some pretty core stuff. Let's get into it. Alright, here I am at the main menu. We've got the play button, the options button, and quit to desktop. If we hit the play button, we go into a submenu where we have continue, load save, and previous menu. Continue brings us into the game using our last save. Load save will allow us to choose a save file to continue from. This is currently not implemented, but we are planning on implementing it later. Previous menu just brings us back, which brings me to the options menu. Our options menu consists of gameplay, controls, video, and audio. Gameplay and video currently do not contain any options, but as the game, as we continue development, we will add options as necessary. Audio options include master volume and FX. We will add more audio options as it becomes time. And for controls, this maps out the controls, and we can rebind them. I've got the Q for slot 3. Let's say I want that to be H. There we go. If I try to double bind, let's say I want slot 3 to be E, it will unassign slot 4 because there cannot be double binding. Currently, the mouse cursor and WASD controls are locked in there. At some point, we'll have those be able to be rebound, but for the moment, they're just hard set. Hit reset to default, it resets everything, and it works for controller. If I pick up my controller here and start playing around, it'll automatically switch over, and I can pan around and change options. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to go back to mouse here, and I'm going to go into the game. Starting off, we see we have that standing up animation, which is the death animation that we have played backwards. So at some point, we're going to replace that with a proper respawn animation. About our projectiles, before you shot a projectile and it went forward. It still does this, but it goes forward at a set height above the terrain, regardless of the change in terrain height. So the projectile will go up these slopes. You can kind of see it there. More notably, if I'm on level with this block, I can hit it. If I'm below this block, I can still hit it. And if I'm above the block, the shots will not fly over it, but instead hit it. So, pretty important. Finally, we have the player death and respawn loop. So the player can take damage and die and respawn. Let this automated T-posing guy kill me. There we go. Respawned. Respawns are per area. I'm going to go into a boss scene, which has another one of the T-posing monstrosities, and let this one kill me as well. And I should respawn right next to the little portal pill there. There we go. All set. Okay, and that is all we have. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more.